Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on BigBear.ai on October 11th when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $7.22 right after this substantial movement to the upside and quite harsh decline to the levels of about $7 mark. And at this very point I told you that potentially we might see the trend continuation, but from the technical standpoint this price target was still on the table as long as this bottom holds. And I marked this price target at this very point because it was an algo trade. You can watch several of my previous videos because I caught the majority of movements of BigBear.ai. And guys, take a look right here. We were at this point, and since I made my previous video, this asset hit to the tick $9.37 mark. You can see these 2 weeks touched this level. You can see it again in my video, $9.37, and then it had a substantial decline to the downside and hit about $8 mark. And guys, this is another evidence of the power of technical analysis. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, for now, you can join my Patreon account. You can join 2 tiers of my Discord group. One of them costs you $50 a month, and you will have 30-minute one-on-one Zoom call once a month. But if you join with the gold tier, you will have a weekly one-on-one training session with me for just $150 a month. And guys, to be honest, this is the most popular tier for my patrons right now. And let me show you a sneak peek on the most recent activity in the Discord group. Just recently, I published the recap of the week of July 28th through August the 3rd. And let me quote you this. On Monday, I prepared a list of 13 tickers that looked most promising for short positions. As of August the 6th, 10 of them delivered returns ranging from 0.33% to 24.4%, an average profit of 6.1%, while only 3 tickers showed a potential loss between 0.85% and 1.74%, an average loss of 1.22%. More detailed information is available in the attached images. And you can see that I made this call on July 28th, and I wrote, here's a list of tickers that might present shorting opportunities. Please remember, this is not a blind trade signal. Further technical analysis is required before taking actions. And here is the list of the tickers that gained substantial profits. It is 10 of them, and only 3 went in completely opposite direction. I also gave a direct short scalping recommendation on Tesla and Oracle. Both brought an average profit of around 1.5%. In addition, I identified 1 ticker suitable for a medium-term short position. If you'd like to know which company that is, join my Patreon. As usual, I provided a detailed market overview and analyzed the following tickers: SPY, BBAI, NOV, UNP, NEO, UAA, and CRWV. So guys, if you want to be a part of this amazing community, join my Patreon. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up. So guys, and on today's video, I will show you where we are on the price chart on the grand scheme of thing, and what should we expect next, and what crucial levels does this asset have. So, and let's first of all take a look at the general sentiment related to the BigBear.ai stock. If you type in Google search bar BBAI stock and switch to News tab folder, you will see the most recent news related to this company. And this article grabs my attention because it has a very good bullet points which explains the most recent activity of this stock. So, let me quote you this. Surging share price. BigBear.ai Holdings has seen its stock skyrocket in recent days, jumping 22% on Monday alone and hovering near $9 per share by October 15. The AI defense contractor stock has now more than doubled in 2025, up over 100% year to date. Defense partnership drive rally. Investors are cheering BigBear.ai new government deals. A strategic partnership with Second, announced October 13th, will deliver AI-enabled edge infrastructure for U.S. national security operations. Recent contractors include supporting a major U.S. Navy exercise and biometric screening at airports, bolstering BigBear's profile in defense and homeland security. Mixed financial signals. BigBear's AI latest earnings underscored challenges. Q2 2025 revenue fell 18% year-over-year, and the net loss ballooned to $228.6 million due to hefty one-time charges. Management slashed full-year revenue guidance to $125 to $140 million. On the plus side, the company holds a strong cash reserve, roughly $390 million, and $380 million contract backlog, providing future revenue visibility. And guys, the results of Q2 is the most concerning part that is related to the potential price action of BigBear.ai, and you can see it reflected right here. Analyst views diverge. Wall Street remains cautious despite the rally. The consensus rating is hot, with an average 12-month price target around $6, roughly 20% below current levels. Some bulls, however, are rising targets. HC Wainwright recently reaffirmed a buy with an 8% and $8 price target, noting BigBears could benefit from the new $300 billion plus one big beautiful bill defense AI budget, fueling federal tech spending. Other analysts argue the stock's valuation over 13x 2025 sales is stretched given ongoing losses. And the last but not least, competitive and sector context. BigBear.ai is often dubbed a mini Palantir in the defense analytics space. Larger peer Palantir has soared 300% in 2025 and trades near $180 per share, backed by billions in revenue, versus BigBear's $30 million quarterly sales. Another rival, C3.ai, also targets government AI contracts, but has locked-in growth. BigBear's niche focus and deep government ties are advantages, but its 25% gross margins pale next to Palantir's 80%, underscoring the challenge of scaling profitability in this sector. And guys, in general, I have to admit that BigBear.ai is some kind of early stage Palantir stock, and definitely it might be very interesting stock to invest in the long-term perspective, but you have to be prepared for quite substantial volatility. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, potentially we are about to complete the internal third wave of the fifth wave. Let me show you right here of this fifth wave, and I will show you what price targets this asset might hit. We completed first wave, and potentially this is the second wave. Let's do some projections for the top of the third wave, and potentially it might be right here up to 1.618, from 1.38 to 1.618 extension levels. It is the price points of $11.7 to $12.64 marks. And guys, internally we have and it is quite interesting, but this is, in my opinion, the most interesting breakdown that I've ever seen in this type of price actions. So potentially this is the 5 wave, 1 2 3 4 5 waves in the first wave. This is a quite high B wave, and this is the C wave to the second wave. And this is the most interesting part, because I've never seen it and I don't have any other counts how you can interpret these movements. Then this is another part of the wave. It is the, in my opinion, it is the part of the internal third wave, and probably we might have another leg to the upside, then retracement to the fourth one, and another leg that will complete this fifth wave, and that will be, wait a second, that will be just a part of this structure. And guys, how this price action might act within next several days. As you can see, the market just opened and we don't have any activity at all at pre-market hours, but we have a quite crucial point, and let me show you what I'm talking about. If this is the bottom of the wave and this is the internal third wave, we might see this type of retracement that shouldn't break 50% of its initial movement to the upside. And we are here. We had a very good bounce out of 0.5 level at $8.07. And as long as this level holds, we still have a chances to rely on this bottom as the bottom of the fourth wave. And then we have to see another leg to the upside. And guys, I have to say that, well, is it too late to enter your long position right here? To be honest, with some exception, no, it is not too late, because in the downside, in the potential risks side, we have about let's say 7% to potential stop loss order, but the upside potential for this wait a second, for its next leg might be quite decent. Let me show you like this. From the current price, it might be, wait a second, it might be from 37 all the way up to 48%. And definitely it is a very good risk to reward ratio. That is why if you are cautious enough and if you know how to properly manage your position, it is a decent setup from the technical standpoint. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bags.